We are making jollof rice. Alright, so you have seen the ingredients which we are using and spices and everything we are going to use for this particular recipe. Alright, please do well to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time to see this channel. This channel is all about how to cook all kind of African food. Trust me, you will never regret it. Now, in case if you have visitor, maybe you want to prepare sharp rice, jollof, this video is for you. Come down to watch to the end to see how all the process went. You already see how I'm spicing my fish to parboil it. Alright, I put season cube, onions, fresh pepper, ginger and garlic, which I pan together with the pepper. The ginger and garlic I pan together with the pepper. Alright, so now we're steaming our fish. Watch to see how it's gonna end. Because I don't put plenty water, I try to flip the fish the other side. Now we are slicing our tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. We're not going to blend these tomatoes. Now you have seen our ginger and garlic, we are cleaning it up. After cleaning it up, we are going to use our mortar to pound it. There is health benefit about using mortar. Yes, but some people don't know about it. People prefer blender because it's easy and everything. Now first of all, we're going to parboil our rice. Now, when you parboil your rice for 10 to 15 minutes, filter the water out. Set your pot on fire. When it's right, add your groundnut oil, vegetable oil. Add your onions. Don't bleach your onions. Immediately add your fresh tomatoes. Cook for the minimum of 5 minutes. This is my blended garlic and ginger. That's what I added now. I add my pepper. Yeah, what I added now is my nutmeg. Then I add my, these spices, what do you call it, spicity. I add my Maggie signature to make sure I fry everything together. After I fry for some minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, I add water. This is my ginger. This is my crayfish. My season cube. The reason why I added water earlier so that it will not get burnt. Then I add my salt. You can add all these things before adding water. Maybe you find out that your food, the tomatoes might get burnt, add water. Then I cook for 30 to 5 minutes. It's boiling as you can see. Then you taste to adjust your spices. Now I'm adding my rice. In case if you have unexpected visitor, you can do well to do this one. In less than 40 minutes, this food will be ready. Alright. Now do well to mix the way I'm doing now. because if you do not mix it together well, all these spices will go and settle under the pot, which will not make sense. Then when you cook for 20 minutes, you check when your food is ready. Do well to mix everything together. That is jollof rice. Now we add our bell pepper here, our onions, to fry the fish a little bit. We are not frying this fish so that we get dry. In case if you are the kind of person that don't like to eat fish I smell in your hand or your mouth, do well to fry a little bit. Now serve hot. Let me know what you think about this on comment section. Thank you for watching.